on Friday, September 28, 2018, I had the opportunity to spend the afternoon with the Grand Traverse County Road Commission at their annual safety meeting and rodeo. I had the opportunity to ride along in a truck and even drive one. Well, why don't you strap in, and here we go on my ride along. I just want to take a moment to thank the drivers with the Grand Traverse County Road Commission for allowing me to join them today as they went through their rodeo. It's an excellent opportunity to see how difficult it is to do that trot, and more importantly, try it myself. Once again, I want to thank everybody at the Grand Traverse County Road Commission because this has been a true honor and one of the pleasures of being a commissioner at the Grand Traverse County Road Commission. Well, thank you for watching. If you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe if you want, and leave a comment what you think about this rodeo. You have a great day, and thank you for watching.